Hello and welcome to today's
Phrase of the day!
Thank you, Darian. We are doing Time's Up phrases. You can DM or comment for this week's Phrase of the Day calendar. Today's phrase is, it's about time to leave.
All
right. So, Darian, we're going to do this in one language. If you already have the $35 phrase book, I'll show you where to find it in the app. Darian, are you ready to choose the language that we're going to do this in?
I forgot to show them the $35 phrase book.
There's the phrase book. All right, let's try this out. Ready, Darian? Go, go, go. Okay, we're doing it in Italian. So let's try that out. In the app, whatever language you have, you're going to go to G, and then you're going to head over to go.
Dog.
Good dog. Okay, and then the phrase again is, it's about time to leave. Here it is. Let's try this out, Darian. Thank you, Nolan. Nolan's off camera cheering for us. Thank you, Nolan. Here we go.
È quasi ora
È quasi ora
di andare.
di andare.
È quasi ora di andare.
È quasi ora di andare. Do you like this one? That was really good. È quasi ora di andare. Now we're just starting Italian, so it's fun, and we're still getting used to all the sounds. Remember, it takes a couple of weeks to a couple of months to hear all the sounds being said. So as you add, I don't know if you can hear our cheerleader off camera, as you add these phrases into your life, you'll get even better and better at saying them. So to teach this phrase to your child, whenever it's about time to go, you can say it in Italian, and if they're not sure what it means, say it in English and then Italian again to reinforce it. Yes? Give me some high fives, Darian. Oh, thanks for doing today's phrase and trying it out with me. All right, thank you all. Bye. See you tomorrow.